Consumers expect that whatever goods they purchase are produced in compliance with EU legislation, especially when it comes to food and its packaging. Therefore, producers of paper and board take care to deliver packaging solutions that always meet the highest standards. Not only because they take their job seriously, but also because producers, manufacturers, distributors and retailers increasingly demand evidence of compliance with EU law. So, what do we need an industry guideline for? Let's answer some questions. What is the Industry Guideline? It is a manual for the manufacture of safe paper and board for food packaging. It gives detailed advice on complying with the requirements of the Regulation EC 1935/2004, which applies to all materials and articles intended to come into contact with food. Why is the Industry Guideline needed? So far, the European Commission has not proposed a specific measure to cover paper and board materials. As there is no specific regulation on paper and board product, there is no recognized method of demonstrating its compliance with EU law. There was no EU-specific measure, like that which exists for some other packaging materials, for paper and board products. For that reason, the paper and board industry felt it was necessary to draft some industry guidelines to guarantee a good standard in the industry and to be able to take corrective actions as science develops. So, what do the guidelines add? The guideline goes a long way to offering assurances in areas that are important for food safety. It is evidence of compliance with EU law. What are the main advantages of the guideline? It is a moving document capable of being quickly modified in the light of scientific advances. Its emphasis is on final product testing and good manufacturing practice. It is voluntary and can be used for self-certification. For the first time, it includes in one place all components needed to facilitate compliance with EU law and thus make the industry prepared when the Commission decides to legislate for paper and board. It is tailored specially to the specific requirements of the paper industry and has been given a very positive peer review by an independent specialist institute, PIRA International. Paper and board packaging sector has a long story of safe use in the food industry in a wide range of applications. Challenges do, however, still arise but will continue to improve. For the first time, all the components needed to facilitate compliance with EU legislation are included in one text. The benefits of using paper and board products are very well known, coming as they do from a renewable source with high levels of recycling achieved after use. The versatile converting processes enable an infinite variety of clever and resource-efficient designs. Paper and board is natural, 100% natural.